Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own oregano oil. First, select fresh oregano leaves, ideally organic, and a high-quality carrier oil like extra virgin olive oil. You will also need a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid and a double boiler or slow cooker. Sterilize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent contamination and ensure a pure product. This preparation is simple and yields a versatile oil. To begin the infusion, gently bruise your fresh oregano leaves to help release their aromatic compounds. Place the bruised leaves into your sterilized glass jar, then pour your chosen carrier oil over them, ensuring the leaves are fully submerged. Heat this mixture using a double boiler or a slow cooker on a low setting for 3 to 6 hours. This gentle heat helps extract the beneficial properties from the oregano into the oil. Once the infusion process is complete, allow the oil to cool completely. Next, strain the oil through several layers of cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve into a clean, dark glass bottle. Make sure to squeeze out every last drop of oil from the oregano leaves to maximize your yield. Store your homemade oregano oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency for several months. Your homemade oregano oil is now ready for use. Remember, it is highly concentrated, so always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. It can be used for various topical purposes, but always perform a patch test first. For more information on its uses and proper dilution ratios, consult reliable sources. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.